I do agree with you that we must not politicize the war against corruption. And nobody is immune, and no institution is immune, and no nation is immune. We have had in Europe the conversation around questions for money, where Parliament has been roped in. Our county assemblies are not immune. Our legislature is not immune. Sometimes you might think it's madness, but there's method in it. When somebody knows that EACC is investigating, somebody then files a petition in Parliament on a similar thing. It's not accidental. It is designed to confuse the process so that the investigative agency is slowed down from pursuing what it should be pursuing. So that one can say, wait a minute, you can't pursue this, it's before a committee of Parliament. So there are intrigues. And all these intrigues, we all have to work together and see how we can resolve them.